HIIT stands for High Intensity Interval Training. It's a super popular way to work out. Why? Because it gets you amazing results, fast. HIIT workouts are short and sharp. You push yourself hard, then rest, then repeat. Imagine this, sprinting as fast as you can, then catching your breath, then sprinting again. That's HIIT in a nutshell. It's all about pushing your limits in short bursts. HIIT is for everyone, no matter your fitness level. You can adjust the intensity to match your ability. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, HIIT can help you achieve your fitness goals. So, how does HIIT actually burn fat? The secret lies in something called the afterburn effect, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC. During a HIIT workout, your body uses up a lot of oxygen. After your workout, your body works hard to replenish that oxygen. This process requires energy. And guess what it uses for energy? Fat. But that's not all. HIIT also boosts your metabolism. This means you keep burning calories even after your workout is finished. It's like your body becomes a fat-burning machine. Sure, HIIT workouts are quick, but they pack a punch when it comes to benefits. Besides torching fat, HIIT improves your cardiovascular health. It strengthens your heart and lungs. HIIT also builds muscle. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even at rest. This means you can say goodbye to stubborn fat and hello to a leaner physique. But wait, there's more. HIIT also improves your insulin sensitivity. This means your body can use glucose for energy more efficiently. Plus, HIIT is great for your mental health. It reduces stress and boosts your mood. Section 4. Your HIIT hit list. Exercises to get started. Ready to give HIIT a go? Here are some awesome exercises to get you started. Burpees, a full-body exercise that works your arms, chest, legs, and core. Jumping jacks, a classic cardio exercise that gets your heart rate up. Mountain climbers, a great exercise for your core and shoulders. High knees, a fun way to work your legs and improve your coordination. And sprints, short bursts of intense running that burn a ton of calories. Remember, you can mix and match these exercises to create your own HIIT workouts. Always start with a warm-up and end with a cool-down. Section 5. Ready, set, HIIT. Tips for beginners. Starting a new workout routine can be daunting, but HIIT is achievable for everyone. Here are some tips for beginners. Start slowly. Don't go all out on your first try. Begin with shorter intervals and lower intensity. As you get fitter, you can gradually increase the duration and intensity. Listen to your body. If you feel any pain, stop and rest. It's important to push yourself, but not to the point of injury. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workout. Don't be afraid to modify. You can modify any exercise to match your fitness level. Make it fun, put on some upbeat music, and find a workout buddy to keep you motivated. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for 2 to 3 HIIT workouts per week. Section 6. Unleash your inner athlete. The power of HIIT. HIIT isn't just a workout, it's a challenge. It's a chance to push your limits and discover your inner athlete. It's about feeling the burn and knowing that you're getting stronger with every rep. So what are you waiting for? Lace up your trainers, crank up the music, and get ready to experience the transformative power of HIIT. Trust me, your body will thank you for it.